New hockey. Must be the technique that old man taught him.
His punches can hurt Kaido, but there's gotta be a trick. What the hell is it?
Ryu.
What's that?
A different kind of hockey that destroys an opponent from the inside.
Sounds nasty. I like it.
I kicked his ass in Curry. How did he get so much stronger? I crushed him. Was there something I overlooked? Few can stand up to me. And they are not to be underestimated. I know you didn't come here just to lose. Are you telling me you think you're as good as them?